Well, news just coming in. The NCP chief Sharad Pawar has now claimed that he is against the scrapping of the farm laws. Now, he says that certain parts of the law could be amended, but the laws need not be rejected completely. Here's what he said. All right, we're going to play out that live reaction for you in just a bit from Sharad Pawar. Let's listen. Let's go across right now to Yesha, who now joins me on the phone line. Yesha, good morning. Yesha, give us more details as to exactly what Sharad Pawar has said.
So basically what we understand is that over the next few days there will be the monsoon session of the assembly that will take place in Maharashtra, that is on the 5th and the 6th. Now amidst all of that, what the NCP chief Sharad Pawar has said that he's had a discussion with the Congress chief, that is Bala Saheb Thorat, and because he also holds of the opinion that centre should have discussed this bill with the state government before passing it. And as of now, there might not be a discussion on this that will take place in the assembly section. And as a result of which, what we saw was even before this, the Congress leader from Maharashtra, that's Bala Saheb Thorat, had earlier thought that there would be a discussion on this because he had criticized the central government for this bill. But as of now, as far as what the NCP chief says, that is Sharad Pawar, that a discussion might not take place of this bill in the Maharashtra Assembly session. Yes.
All right, stay with us, Lesha. Let's actually listen in to what the NCP chief has said. He was speaking at a private university function where he made those comments.
मैंने ये बात कही अभी कि टोटल विड्रॉ करने की डिमांड है, मगर महाराष्ट्र सरकार का थिंकिंग मुझे ये लगता है कि ये कानून में जहाँ सुधार करने की आवश्यकता है वो सुधार करे। जो भारत सरकार ने दिया है वो 100% एक्सेप्ट करते बिना वो सुधार करके लाएंगे तो अच्छा होगा। वो थिंकिंग है और सबके साथ वो बातचीत करें।
Yesha, if I could come back to you. Yesha, you know, this statement of Sharad Pawar becomes extremely important, you know, at a time when the government is trying to find as wide an acceptance of these laws, which have seen protests across the country.
That's right. So what we've seen is a lot of farmers affected across the country had held their protest, but what we saw was in Maharashtra, that wasn't really the case because Maharashtra farmers did not come out in open or criticize this bill. But now what we see is, for that matter, Sharad Pawar has said that the central government have a discussion or a dialogue.
Okay, I'm going to come to you, Yesha, in just a bit, but Mr. Ram Kadam now joins me on the phone line. Good morning, Mr. Kadam. Thank you for joining us on Republic TV. Mr. Kadam, you know, the NCP chief, Sharad Pawar, has at a university function said that the laws don't need to be scrapped. That's the farm laws. He's come out in support of them in a sense, saying that, you know, we can bring about certain amendments, but to reject them totally might not be good. That your reaction on this?
बुनियादी बात यह है कि आजादी के बाद पहली बार किसानों के जीवन में क्रांति लाने वाला एक अभूतपूर्व कानून आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में आया और सभी किसान इससे संतुष्ट हैं, पर कुछ नेता इसकी सियासत करना चाहते हैं। ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। अब शरद पवार जी कद्दावर नेता है, वे स्वयं देश के कृषि मंत्री रह चुके हैं, पर वे स्वयं भी जानते हैं कि इस कानून के इतने गहरे फायदे हैं कि यह कानून आने के बाद किसानों की आमदनी दुगनी होनी है। पर कहीं ना कहीं किसानों की आमदनी दुगनी हो जाए तो मोदी जी की लोकप्रियता विश्व नेता के नाम पे उभर रही है, वह और बढ़ेगी। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को विगत चुनाव में 303 सीटें खुद के बल पर मिली, वह कानून के बाद तो पूरे देश में अन्य पार्टियों का सफाया होगा। यही डर देश के कुछ नेताओं को सताया जा रहा है। राजनीति के ऊपर उठ करके किसानों का फायदा देखने की आवश्यकता है। जिस प्रकार से नौटंकी चल रही है, किसानों के आड़ में सियासत हो रही है, राजनीति हो रही है, शरद पवार जी दुर्भाग्य से उसी का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि पूरे देश में यह अब छुपा नहीं है कि वे विपक्ष के नेता के रूप में उभरना चाहते हैं। अब विपक्ष के नेता के रूप में उभरने के लिए उनको सरकार का विरोध करना ये उनकी राजनीतिक आवश्यकता है, पर सरकार का विरोध जरूर करें, पर आजाद भारत के इतिहास में इतने मीटिंगों का दौर आज तक किसी सरकार ने किया नहीं होगा। जितनी बैठकें, जितनी मीटिंग्स हमारे सरकार के मंत्रियों ने की है किसान नेताओं के साथ, क्या इसके पूर्व कभी किसी ने प्रयास किया है? हर तरफ से सब दूर भारतीय जनता पार्टी का यह शासन, सरकार, मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में किसानों के साथ बात करने के लिए तैयार है, चर्चा कर रहे हैं। पर कुछ लोग जो नौटंकी कर रहे हैं कि वे सो रहे हैं, ऐसे इंसान को जगाया नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि वो नौटंकी है। हम चाहते हैं कि सभी लोग, सभी राजनीतिक दल अपनी सियासत को बाजू में रख करके किसानों के हित की सोचें। इस देश के लोकतंत्र के पायदान पर जो अंतिम गरीब व्यक्ति बैठा है उसकी उत्थान की, उत्कर्ष की बात सोचें। पर उसकी उत्थान की बात सोचने की जगह पे खुद का दल कैसे ऊपर उठेगा, इसी संकुचित बात को सोचने वाले दुर्भाग्य से कुछ नेता इस देश में रह रहे हैं।
Right, Mr. Kadam, thank you very much for joining us. So, Mr. Kadam over there pointing out that politicians need to keep aside their differences and laws that are good for farmers should be accepted. Yesha, if I could come back to you now. Yesha, you know, during that comment that he made at that university event, he also went on to say that the MVA is actually examining these laws as well. Any more details that you can share with us on that?
So that's right. So what we had heard earlier from Balasaheb Thorat, because the MVA government, that was NCP, Congress as well as the Shiv Sena, they're all in part, and it was then that they had to want to make some changes in these farms law that's passed by the central government, because they were of the opinion that this particular law is anti-farmers, and which is why the government wanted to introduce several of the agricultural reforms. Now, in that context, the discussion was supposed to take place in the session that is coming up in the next 2 days. But as of now, considering the fact that Sharad Pawar has already mentioned that the discussion will not take place, may not take place in this session, so we could see as to how the Maharashtra government would go ahead with this entire law.
All right, Yesha Kotak on the phone line. Thank you for joining us.